Hi, how are you? Nice to be back again for session 5 of lesson 1, 8th standard English. Last class we were studying about letters, types of letters, and one of the letters we were discussing was letter to a friend. I hope you don't mind the crackers. Now, Dasra is over, Diwali is next. So, already celebration started. Don't worry about that. I am sure you are also doing the same thing at home. Now, coming back to the letter to a friend, a person was writing to his friend. Who was writing a letter? Ramesh was writing a letter. And what is his friend's name? Oh, he is Suresh. Okay. Now they were recollecting, Ramesh was recollecting his life in a place called as Manikonda, where they spent their childhood days and about their family and other things. He also explained about his life now. He is married and having a son, and they are having a celebration, the life, very busy life in Hyderabad. He going to Microsoft office, wife going to Dell office, and working from morning till evening. At the last he says, we have forgotten our family. Very sad, very sad. Continuing now, paragraph 3 on page 15. I remember how we played Gilli Danda. It's a game with a stick. I still remember how we played, and our headmaster used to tell us, be careful, this is a very dangerous game, because the small stick with which you hit can come and hit you anywhere. If it's in the face, sometimes you may lose your eyesight also. Okay, there's another one, another game, hide and seek. Oh, very interesting game. And another one, Kabaddi. All these are the Indian games we have. What are the three games we have? Gilli Danda, hide and seek, and Kabaddi. And not only that, we went for swimming in our local tank every Sunday. Oh, Sunday is a day off. Go enjoy life. And what were they doing? Swimming. Here, now coming, he is jumping from childhood days to the present life. Suddenly he remembers, here we live in an apartment where there is no room to play. Think about the village, they used to go around and play, roam all around, and now here only 1 or 2 rooms and no place to play. Our flat is our world. Wow. Just like a well for a frog. Yes. Do you hear the word saying frog in a well? Yes. The present life is almost like that. Next paragraph. How happy we were in our school. Back to the old days. We used to sit in the same row, that's a classroom, did all the work together and took part in the events. What events do you have in the school? Oh, you have sports, essay writing competition, or some other recitations, speech contests, and so on and so forth. They were always there, busy taking part in all this. I remember how Padmanabhaya sir, who is this? He was the teacher, our class teacher, yes, the class teacher, appreciated us when we got first prize in the district science fair. Don't you remember the science fair you had last year? Oh, we missed that this year because we are not in the school now. I remember how we went to a picnic in Koil Saga. There we went boating. Our tour to Srisailam was memorable. Oh, they went to different places. I really feel jealous of these people. They went to a lot of places. I remember that green hills full of trees that almost touch the sky. Oh, they were very tall. I remember the roaring of the Krishna river at the dam. Where is this Srisailam? There is nothing here. Again, he is coming back to Hyderabad. Very interesting. I wonder at my child's silence. He always sits in front of the computer and plays games, never caring for anyone. Oh, the small children nowadays, they don't want anything except the phone. All right? And they know how to operate the phone, which I also don't know much. Very interesting. Okay? But the children are very genius. I remember the happy moments when our uncle visited us. He brought toys and fruits for us. Our aunt brought me a new dress for Dasara. Just 2 days back we finished our Dasara. And he remembers the Dasara festival. How we enjoyed the Pavali, very soon coming. I still have here sound of crackers, which you heard just now in the class. I can see the rockets flying in the sky, making the night full of light. Where are those days? My child doesn't know his uncle or aunt. For him, uncle and neighbor are the same. They forget the relations. Sometimes I think of our childhood days. I think of grandparents, uncles, brothers, sisters. We miss them. We miss the joy of the family. We miss their company. We missed many things in this busy life. Suresh, I don't know where those gardens have gone, those fairy tales, those fruit, those words of love and affection. We have lost our real life in this unreal world. Very sad. The last paragraph. Anyhow, I am happy that I found time to write to you. Please come to me. Let's remember our childhood days of joy. Closing, we have your loving friend, Ramesh. What a wonderful letter. I am sure you all remember your childhood days. Don't you think you would like to write a letter to your friend? Sometimes your friends are still with you, but you can still write to them because we need to learn write letters. So, your assignment for this lesson would be that you would write a letter to your friend, maybe explaining about the Dasara you just recently spent, okay, and submit sometime next week because this will be graded and then you will be given marks for this. Have a good day. Bye. We'll see you again.